Hi guys, welcome to the live streaming from Forex Trading Wizard Academy. So another live session, another day for trading. I believe that you traders are ready. Today there is a news coming up later today, and we'll be covering that in this live session. So we will see that dollar news coming. If we look at the calendar, so if you look at the so looking at Forex Factory calendar, what we can see that there is a news coming up later today on 12 a.m. Which is in my zone, CV consumer confidence, and then tomorrow coming up Wednesday 11:30 a.m. also AUD all day euro. So yeah, pretty big day coming up. So let's get ready for some peep. Are you guys ready for some peep? We want to start with to earn some peep with the market open, and let's look at one by one to see where we can find the trading opportunity. Got a bit displaced from my place, so basically let's see. So make sure guys, before I begin this live session, you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thanks for that. So make sure you're smashing the like button and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. So this is a previous support here, which is basically turning resistance here. And if you look at gold, what we can see that gold, this is a support turning resistance. Gold, if we look at the daily chart, I will be starting with the gold to see overall direction, and then also we'll be looking at the Gbpusd, how the market might be doing. So we can see that looking at the monthly chart, from the monthly, this is the monthly bullish engulfer. So far a bullish candle. With the market open, we have seen that a big move to the upside, followed by from the monthly, this is a support level, and with this support we can see that the market had a bounce with the market with the monthly open, and so far we have seen that bullish move. Currently the price in a pullback. So weekly perspective, we saw that there was a weekly bearish engulfer, followed by this week with the market open. We can see the market has made that move to the upside, has come back down. Now if we look at the daily chart, what we can see that daily perspective as well, there's a big drop followed by smaller correction. So what we can see that with this correction today, the market open, tested the high, and slowly the market started to drop in that direction. So looking at the lower time frame, where you can see that from the lower time frame perspective, the market is forming series of lower high in that area, and with this series of lower high formation, so this is the 4-hour price action. We have seen initial drop, now it's pushing high again to the upside. Now if we look at the intraday perspective, looking at gold from the 15 minutes chart, as there is a news coming in 2 hours, we might see that this instrument is getting volatile. So here is this is the 15 minutes candlestick pattern, the market slowly moving back to the upside, and I think that we might see a bit of potentially a bit of bullish momentum possible if the market has, as the market has dropped here, you can see there is a liquidity candle formation. It's now pushing high from that zone, expecting for gold to move up and then to keep pushing high to create a new higher high. So here is what we can see. This is an important level of support, which is turning resistance. So an important support turning resistance, and with this movement, what we could see on gold, it may keep pushing, it may continue to rise, as this is from the support level we have seen that rejection, expecting for the price to go ahead and retest. Let's see what might be doing in the upcoming hour, then we'll see how we can find entry. Depending on how the price evolving, we can look for entry opportunity. I don't want to go either think about going long or short until we see proper entry setup. And in the meantime, traders, let me know if you have. Good day, coach. More life than blessing towards you. Thank you, Pele. Welcome. Please advise which part of hello. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you very much. Welcome. Pele, welcome. Thank you very much. Gio, I also seem to be on fire. Welcome. That's good. Thank you very much. Aloha. Welcome. Good morning. Thank you very much. Evening, sir. Good evening, Gopi. Welcome back to this live session. Another live that would like to do the full analysis and also the trade. At the moment, we can see that there is a, from this level, we have seen this movement, and let's see with this one gold, we can see that the market made this move to the upside so far. So from the 1 hour, we can see it's slowly turning to a bullish market. The lower time frame showing that potentially bullish market structure. So looking at, let's look at the Gbpusd to see how the market might be doing here on GJ. Gbpusd, looking at the daily chart. From the daily, I will be looking at the full multi-time frame analysis. Now, before I go to the Gbpusd, guys, let me know when you are here. We can look for in-depth analysis on how to do that. Thanks for joining the live session. Also, let me know which one you are looking at. Thank you. Okay, guys. So ready? Now let's look at Gbpusd. Looking at the monthly chart on Gbpusd, what we can see that from the monthly, let's look at the bigger picture, as monthly, weekly, higher time frame will give you clear direction, removing all the noise from the lower time frame. So monthly perspective on Gbpusd, we can see that this is a clean impulse followed by narrower correction, and we can see the market is forming series of higher high and higher low, which is a typical uptrending market structure. And with this typical uptrending market structure, with this impulse on GJ, we can see that the market forming series of higher low and moving up in the major direction of the trend. Currently, the way the price is, we might see that continuation towards the upside, as it is a long-term bull market. So if we look at the weekly chart to see how the price is doing, now from the weekly, we can see that back to back 1, 2, 3 weeks of bull move here from on GJ, and with this bullish momentum, Gbpusd so far showing significant bullish move in that direction. And we can see that the price, as you have seen in our previous meeting, that we talk about that Gbpusd is likely to hit that resistance. It did that. We have seen that from the probabilistic perspective, GJ has moved to the upside to create a new higher high. So that's what we can see. And if we look at the daily chart on GJ, what you can see that this is a clean uptrending market structure. So you can see an impulse correction, so the market is forming series of higher high and higher low. Currently the price is breaking that resistance, so we might see a bit more upside before coming for a deeper break of local structure here. And if we look at the lower time frame price action, what we can see that this is a lower time frame price action, which is basically a typical uptrending market structure. What you can see, okay, so you can see that the market is forming series of higher high and higher low. Okay, so which is maintaining a bullish market structure. Price has reached that resistance line, and from this resistance, we look at the 15-minute chart here. Okay, so to see lower time frame price action from the 15 minutes, we can see an inverted head and shoulder formation here, and with this inverted head and shoulder formation, we can see it's just as broken to the upside with this inverted head and shoulder formation. And I think that we might see keep pushing high in the major direction of the trend. As we can see, after this bounce again, the market is consolidating in that area. Okay, expecting for the price to go ahead and then to create a new higher high. So looking at even the 15-minute chart on GJ, what we can see that there is a big move followed by this correction. The market is forming series of also higher high and higher low, which is an uptrending market structure. We may see that continuation of this bullish trend. So any break below this level will give us potential entry opportunity in Gbpusd. If the traders, this makes sense to you, and in the meantime, I would appreciate if you give a thumbs up to the channel and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Thank you for all of your support, guys, and much appreciated. So here what we can see, there is a long wick candle here. There is another long wick candle. There is another long wick candle. So the market in that area, what we can see, it's just bouncing up, forming series of higher high and higher low. So which is typical uptrending market structure. Expecting GJ to keep pushing high in the major direction of the trend. So any drop back below will give us potential entry. GJ, thank you very much. Good afternoon, coach. Good to have you back. Welcome. Good afternoon. Are you trading the fundamental? Yeah, we can combine that fundamental, and I do consider the fundamental. Fundamental is not from the point of view of the data coming out, but from the event. Okay, so event is very important when you look at the event is very important when you are trading. Fundamental is basically what the result of the data release is not that much of relevant as the relevance with the event coming up. So when you look at the market, you need to look at what event coming up and how you can do that. So it's very important that you think about it. Nice one, mentor. Thank you very much. Hello, welcome. Okay, so here is what we can see, that Gbpjpy has made a more a deeper correction, and the market is forming series of higher high and higher, which we can see an uptrending market structure, and expecting GJ to bounce back up and then to keep pushing high to create a new higher high. So looking at again the lower time frame, GJ expecting for the price to keep moving in the major direction, expecting for the price to go ahead and create a new higher high. So looking at also the dollar yen, also we can see there was a rejection from the top at the moment. We see a bit of weakness on dollar, giving dollar yen a bit of downside momentum after a long-term uptrend. Dollar yen coming for a deeper pullback. So you will be looking at that to see how the price is doing after the dollar news. Okay, so gold is just started to move up. You see the 15 minutes. Okay, so with this candle close, you can see it's keep pushing high, going back to the liquidity zone. So you may see that the price is going in that major direction of the trend. So gold, what we can see, this is a very strong impulse on gold so far, and you can see there was a break below and then again bounce back up. So it's basically currently showing a potential bullish market structure on gold. Okay, so what you can see, a huge bounce, complete bounce here, and with this bounce from the 30 minutes perspective, a big move, and it's a big move to the upside so far. Now I think that the price may keep pushing high. You can see so far significant movement in the major direction. So what you can see, a big bounce on gold. So this bounce, if you look at daily, just has broken the daily high. So now the question is it going to go ahead and creating a new higher high, or it is again reverting back in the direction? That's the question, right? So we need to look at. Okay, there is a rejection from the support. So with the from this level, you can see after this 15 minutes liquidity candle formation, it's we can see the market started to bounce from this level. And yeah, so you can see that it's a very high probability the price will keep pushing high at the moment, as it has broken the resistance line. Okay, traders, and in the meantime, absolutely appreciate your support to the channel. Thank you. So from this resistance, if you look at, guys, what we can see, gold after breaking this high, slowly trying to drop back below. Of that, guys, you can once you will find that entry, we'll be looking for that entry. As soon as you will find that, we'll be waiting to see a proper entry opportunity. If we look at the GBP we can see the same situation here as well, John GJ. Thank you. We can see on Gbpusd also there is an inverted head and shoulder formation in that area, and we could see that the market is keep pushing high in that direction. Depending on how the price might be doing, we will be looking for entry. So dollar yen and gold. Also we'll be looking at the euro dollar to see. In the meantime, traders, I absolutely appreciate your support to this channel. Smash the like button now, and also hit that subscribe button if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. So gold waiting for a potential entry. Do you think that gold is going to go up further, guys? What's your view on gold as dollar news coming? If we look at the Forex factory, so if you look at the calendar, what you can see coming up 12 a.m. CV consumer confidence. So and with this news, we might see. What do you think, that gold is going to go up to create a new higher high? What's your view on that? Or it's gonna again drop back? If you look at the weekly, again we see that it's hitting that weekly high again. So if it break the weekly high, it might push back up again to the resistance, or it's gonna retest and then come back down. So let me post a poll. So let me know what's your view on that. Thank you. S&P 500, what's your analysis? We'll be looking at that. Any entry yet? Not yet. We'll be looking for that. Hi WTI, what's your analysis? Here we'll be looking at the favor. You can't see you, coach. Yeah, I'll be back. No, don't worry. I think 2,400 gold. How are you, coach? I'm good, thank you very much. Do you think that 2,400? What's the logic behind? Also, can you let us know why do you think that gold is going to 2,400? Follow, let's like the channel. We are many in the group. Hello, welcome. Thank you very much for your appreciation. Gold at a strong resistance zone 23562 to 2358. Maybe it will break the next zone 2365. Yeah, if gold is gold is trending to the upside, then we might see that it's breaking this level here next to this liquidity zone. Okay, so this is a next resistance level So the way gold has got a rejection, you can see that it has got a very strong rejection from the support. So we might see now it might try to break this level, which is the 2370 level, might be, as the news is coming. And then after that we'll see what might be doing next. But at the moment we can see that gold basically has broken that, and we might see that continuation towards the upside, moving up and then creating a new higher high depending on how it is doing. Now if you look at here, what you can see, it's a strong movement to the upside, and with this liquidity candle formation, we can see the market is maintaining series of higher high and higher low, which is a typical uptrending market structure. And we may see that the price is moving in the major direction of the trend. See what it is going. Depending on how it is doing, we'll be looking for that entry. And in the meantime, traders, I hope that you are enjoying this live session. I believe that you guys finding value. If you are enjoying, don't hesitate to giving a thumbs up, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I am posting every day. Thank you. Welcome. Thank you very much. So you can see there is a clean inverted head and shoulder formation here, and with this clean inverted head and shoulder, the market managed to break out. And with this breakout, we can expect for the price to go ahead and then to create a new higher high depending on how it is doing. We'll be looking for that. Lila, welcome. Great job. Yeah, you do. Thank you. Okay, so gold, we see that it's still maintaining that bullish market structure. Looking at Gbpusd now, guys, we had a trade on gold early today as well, and also we had a trade on GJ based on our liquidity candle tool that we have developed in Forex Trading Wizard Academy. This is the also if you remember that I posted that on the channel. So this is the post that I posted in the channel. Is that? So if you guys, for those who are in the VIP community, probably you know that this is the post that I have given on GJ with the trade, and this is where you can see the market grab that liquidity and exactly started to move in that direction of the major trend. And if you look at the market like that, okay, so what we can expect is for the price to keep pushing high. Now, what was the primary reason that I have opened the trade yesterday on GJ in that zone is the mainly because of the liquidity. Now this liquidity zone is also started this move from a very important level. Okay, so which is what you need to look at when we are trading, is to look for a market from a zone. This is the resistance, which is the support, and to bounce. And we have seen that bounce happened, and with this bounce correction, the market is forming series of higher high, okay, and higher low, which is an uptrending market structure. Okay, so what you can see, a big bounce, consolidation pattern, breakdown, liquidity grab, another bounce, consolidation, and we can see the market is basically maintaining series of higher high and higher low, which is an uptrending market structure, and waiting for the price to keep pushing high in that direction. Okay guys, so I believe that you are enjoying understanding what I am explaining. Don't hesitate to ask any question if you don't understand, and also don't hesitate to smash it. Guys, did you smash that? I see that 80 view, 30 likes. Can you, I think it's almost 1/3. It would be much appreciated if you smash it to 100. Thank you, though there is no 100 yet. All right, so okay, so suddenly gold has got a bounce again. We can see that as there is a news coming up, we might see this instrument now getting very volatile. So it's keep moving up. From here, a big bounce, waiting for a pullback, and then continuation to the upside. So if the market drop back to the support, we can look for potential entry, because we have seen, if you look at the 15 minutes, there is an inverted head and shoulder breakout, expecting a pullback and then continuation to the upside. What is Gbpusd doing? Gbpusd is not doing anything at the moment. Thank you. So Gbpusd, it's not doing anything. It's just moving in a sideway. So when the market moves in a sideway, the best thing is to stay in the sideway. Okay. The best trader are those who stay in the sideway most of the time, because the market moves in the sideway most of the time. So it is always a good idea is to remain patient and waiting and observation, and then you'll see that once you observe, okay, you observe, wait for the best entry, and then you can look for that best entry opportunity. It is always a good idea is to remain patient in your approach as a trader. Thank you. So you can see there is a dodgy support break, and we can expect for the price to move up and then to bounce back up to create a new higher high. Waiting for the price to bounce. GJ still maintaining that bullish market structure. Okay, so 4-hour candle closing in just a matter of 13 minutes. This is the support level for the intraday time frame, and 15 minutes after this doji, it's moving up in the major direction. Thank you. Here's what you can see. Two long wick candle here. Okay guys, so I hope that you are enjoying the live session. Give a thumbs up, traders, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. Very much appreciated your support. Waiting for a good entry. I hope that you guys are patient. Patience is the key, and Jesse Livermore once said that money comes from sitting, not from trading. So once you are sitting patient, it's gonna come to you. I'll be back just a moment. So keep moving forward, and after the gold move, okay, so here is what you can see, that after this big move to the resistance line, it started to drop now to this support, and we might see that eventually coming down in the support, and from that support we might see that the market is again bouncing back up, depending on how the price might be doing. Okay, we're gonna see now a deeper pullback. If we look at the GJ, also at the same time, it's a bit choppy at the moment on Gbpusd. And in the meantime, let's see what you guys are up to. Hello, coach, I've been watching and analyzing using Fibonacci. We definitely might see a huge sell below 2340. So you think that huge sell value 2340? You see the Fibonacci. So what is Fibonacci? Fibonacci is the nature's code. Now, if we look at what I see gold at the moment, because you see that from this breakdown, it just reversed, right? So what I see that gold is long-term perspective currently still showing in the direction of the trend, so which I see that potential is still bullish. And with that in mind, okay, any pullback will be an opportunity for going up. So gold, this is the support on gold, an important support, expecting for the price to retest and then to keep pushing high in the major direction. So the support, guys, to the channel will be helpful. So lower time frame price action started to drop, expecting it to drop back to the support and then to move back up again. So this drop on gold is necessary to see deeper pullback, and then we can look for that potential entry towards the upside. Thank you guys for the support. Looks head and shoulder on GBJ 30 minutes. Yeah, we'll be looking. So support for gold bounce off, support for gold for potential bounce. It will depend on many factors, because if we look at the support, then we need to look for the support here below this level. This is the support, okay, and with the support, because there is an inverted head and shoulder formation breakout, it didn't retest this inverted head and shoulder. This previous resistance here, turning support here has not been tested. Therefore, what I think that we might see that continuation to the upside. So after a retest, we can expect a continuation to the upside. Patrick, why do I think that JJ will change the trend? I don't think that JJ will change the trend. The JJ already in a trend. What I see that JJ is in the bullish trend. So it's still maintaining that bullish market structure. So I don't think that JJ will be changing the trend. What do you think that is changing the trend? Right. So this is a support, and this is a liquidity trigger here. Very strong liquidity grab, and then there is also liquidity grab here, and what you can see here, it's also grabbing that liquidity everywhere. So the market structure on GBPJPY is maintaining that bullish market structure. I believe that makes sense, traders. So we have one more hour to go for the news. From the 1 hour, we have seen, if we look at the GJ here, 4-hour candle close. So I'll be also looking at all the pairs to see how this 4-hour candle closed created the new price action. You might find some incredible opportunity in other instrument. So daily, if we look at the Euro AUD, so this is the weekly, monthly, daily, So you have seen that Euro AUD is quite significant liquidity trigger here. Potential for downside is very high. A pip here on Euro AUD, 37 pip. So if we look at the in terms of probability on Euro AUD, the potential for bearish is higher than anything else. So here is what you can see, a big red candle followed by liquidity trigger and expecting for the price to drop in that direction on Euro AUD. And gold 4-hour closed, and we can see the market is moving in that direction. Gbpusd, GBP USD, dollar CAD. Dollar CAD also form a liquidity candle. So back to back two liquidity candle formation, you see that the market started to drop. Okay, dollar yen, if we look at there is a potential for bearish price action on dollar yen. We see that it failed to create a new higher high. Okay, so here what I see that there is a potential for dollar yen to move back to this support level. So we will be opening a swing trade on dollar yen. A short from here I will be opening, and there will be around for this trade, you will be around 31 pip stop loss. TP target will be at 1.922. Okay, so basically to this level, 221, 31 pip stop loss. Dollar yen, I'm going short. Keep in mind, traders, not more than 1% risk in any situation. So 31 pip stop loss. Dollar yen, we are going short. I'll be also explaining the strategy, so make sure that you stick till the end. Traders, don't miss out. So you have open sell on dollar yen. I'll be also strategy and understanding why I have. I will be explaining in depth a strategy behind it. I think dollar yen might drop back to the support, and that's the main reason that I have open sell on dollar yen. Okay, guys. So if you are passionate about trading, this is the best place where you can learn and grow as a trader with me. You might say with plain background because I moved to a new place. So hope that makes sense to you. Thank you. Okay, guys. So yeah, short on dollar yen, couple of pips down already, which we might see eventually moving. Now this structure, expecting it to break in that day, unless big boys are very hungry and need more liquidity, then might be very unusual. So here expecting it to break in that direction, guys. Anyone here open the trade with me? I have also shared in the community. Okay guys, so let's wait for a potential breakdown. While we see that gold is just again we have seen another bounce on gold. So basically it's showing potential for continuation to the upside. So because there is another bounce, we might see that continuation to the upside on gold, eventually moving up. So with the strengthening on gold, you see dollar yen. Look at the 5 minutes. From this structure, if we see a break of support, then we might see that complete break below. Short on dollar yen. Yeah, keep down, moving down. Okay, guys, are you ready? It's dropping. I'm running in profit at the moment. Moving down. So you see that break of support as expected. Running profit on dollar yen. Guys, are you with me? Are you running profit? Let me know if you're running profit. And let me know how many traders really want to learn the strategy that I'm trading. 2, 3, 4, 5 for gold. Yeah, absolutely. I think gold will move down to, yeah, we see that a bit downside. You need ISF to touch the buffering. Too much buffering, yeah, will be fixed very soon. I need to really sort that out. A bit of buffering going on will be fixed. It's a real internet issue. Thank you. So we'll be waiting for further drop on dollar yen. Okay, guys. So are you running with me? Welcome, welcome. Okay, we can see there is a so far complete break below the support, and expecting for the price to keep pushing down to this support level. Okay, depending on where it is dropping, we'll be looking to see. moving running profit on my trade on dollar yen. Are you guys running profit? Let me know if you're running profit. Anyone has opened this trade with me? I know that I have sent out to the VIP. What's the TP dollar yen? So dollar yen TP at 156.07. We might take early if we see that. Yeah, the network is breaking, coach. Okay, so I have to do some homework on that. It's a new place, so yeah, will be fixed very soon. I have nothing I can do about it at the moment. Guys are working on that. But anyway, you guys have seen that. You guys with me? Thank you for your support. Well, appreciate if you smash this like button here. See that likes is going up, but if you can make it to above 50 or above 100 and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet, press that bell notification so that you are not missing any of the content that I'm posting every day. And let's see, we see that a significant bounce on gold to the upside, and which is basically downside on dollar yen. Now if you want to learn the strategy on dollar yen, don't miss out any part of this live session. I'll be also explaining in depth understanding about the strategy. Okay, so like before, we took a couple of members in the Forex Trading Wizard Academy in mentorship program. Today also I will be taking few members. If you want to join the Forex Trading Wizard Academy, we can take only few members every week. So if you want to be qualified for the mentorship program, we cannot guarantee you that you will be qualified at the moment. We have few spots left. So to be qualified for mentorship program, we will take 2 to 3 members today from this live session. So for those who will be willing to join, first you can text Aiza. Keep in mind that this is the Telegram address, so she will be able to see if you are qualified. So if you are not qualified, no problem, you can wait for another opening. So you can text Aiza on Telegram at Aiza111. She will be able to guide you to join the mentorship program. And if you are interested, then right now you can text her to Isa. Keep in mind, traders, it is only 2 to 3 members, so if many of you are texting, depending on who is texting first and depending on your geography, you might be qualified or might not be qualified. If you are not qualified, then don't worry, next time there might be another opportunity coming. So you can text her at Telegram at Isa 111. She will be able to guide you if you are qualified. So let's see. In the meantime, we can see dollar yen is moving, where you can learn the strategy that I am trading, where I will be teaching you the strategy and all the tools I'm using in Forex Trading Wizard Academy, where you can learn and grow as a trader with me. So let's keep eye here on dollar yen to see how the market might be doing. And I'm running profit. I believe that you guys also running profit on that. Thank you for all the supports, traders, to me in this channel and to this channel. Absolutely appreciate. So dollar yen trade that we have opened in this live session is running. Okay guys, so hope that you are enjoying. Let me know if you have any question. And we see that gold made significant movement here, and we might see that bearish continuation pattern on dollar yen and bullish continuation pattern on gold. Okay guys, so hope that you are enjoying. We're expecting it to break below, and we will have a news coming up in just 25 minutes time. In just 25 minutes time, there is a news coming up. Okay, so you can see after this drop again has gone for a pullback. Okay, so here is break and expecting for further downside on dollar yen. We have seen already a break of support form and head and shoulder here, so expecting it to keep pushing down in that direction. Thank you. And guys, in the meantime, did you smash the like button yet? If you haven't, you can do that now. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. So we can see again pullback. So again pullback, and that might lead that price to drop back below again. It's one thing to see that basically dollar yen managed to break in that direction to create a new lower low. While we see that gold has made significant movement, currently it's again coming for a pullback. This one also, we have only 20 minutes for the news. Are you guys ready for news to see the market having a significant movement? GBPUSD is looking at a strong bounce on GBPUSD, and the price has reached that previous level, which is the resistance turning support. Resistance turning support on GBPUSD, expecting for the price to move up again. So here is a bullish move followed by correction and then bounce back up. So dollar yen again pushed up for, most likely it's another pullback, and 30 minutes and 1 hour 1 hour candle is, there was a drop again. We see that move and still expecting dollar yen to continue to drop. As we have seen already, the price started to drop in that direction. You could see that continuation. While gold is with the news trying to get volatile here. So let's see the 5 minutes price action on gold, how might be doing. So next 15 minutes candle on gold is where you could see a good movement. I think that because it's still maintaining that bullish, and depending on how the news is doing, we might see significant movement. While we see dollar yen has initially a bit of bounce, but I think it's maybe most likely a liquidity grab before moving down. Because if you look at the 4 hour where there was a big red candle, now it's essential that dollar yen remaining bearish if it wants to continue to drop. The structure here for me on dollar yen is most likely, to me, it's bearish. You might see that the market is moving in that direction. Thank you for all the support, traders. If you're enjoying the live session, smash the like button. Okay, so here what you can see is pricing the resistance level, and from this resistance expecting it to drop in that direction. It's for me it's in a liquidity zone, and we might see now potential continuation. If the price wants to the trend wants to continue, we should see that drop to the support. See that bearish pattern coming down. And as before, then you just 10 minutes can drop so far, and with this drop expecting for the price to grab more liquidity. Below this support there is a liquidity. As the price moves from liquidity to liquidity, we might see that now gold dropping down further below this liquidity zone before bouncing back up. and we see that there is a potential for that liquidity grab. You can see the market is moving in that direction. Okay guys, so we're waiting for the news to be published, and we see that with the news we might definitely say dollar news, so you should see movement on dollar yen also. If we look at the Forex factory coming with the calendar, now this is what not wanting much. Okay, that's something expected a little bit. We see a bit of bullish move. And gold is, if you look at, okay, so just 5 minutes remaining for the news to come up. Okay, traders, so waiting for the news to be published, and then we'll see where we can find out that. there's a bit of upside on dollar yen, which I didn't expect it, but we see that. Let's see where it is heading at the moment, and based on that we will be looking for that entry. Minutes to go, and there's a bit of bullish momentum on dollar yen, which let me see why this market has moved up again. You can see bounce on GJ. Okay, gold is off 4-hour support level, and with that, gold may try. So let's wait for okay, we can see a bit of downside on gold, which has not been expected, but we might see now dollar yen working out in that direction. And if we look at gold, okay, so we can see that there is a long week candle here on gold. So dollar yen cannot work out. Let's see how far it is going to reach that liquidity zone. So dollar yen dodged. Dollar yen, after grabbing liquidity, reversed back here. So now from this 4-hour time frame, if we see that rejection, then we might see this is the daily chart. So from the daily resistance, expecting a rejection. Let's see what it is doing. Okay, gold after breaking all this high, so USDJPY is just tossed here, which we might see that not doing well in that direction. So we'll see how far it goes, and then we'll be looking for entry. Again, to manage the trade, if we see that it dropped back down to the support, we might manage the trade at entry. Gold has reversed from that zone. So dollar yen, it just after breaking that reversed back. I'll be still holding because at this point we have we are in a zone where you cannot close it. It's already moved so far.